Hi guys, so I forgot to hit record, and so I went ahead and did a rolling ticker to let you guys know what I used in the order that I used it, and I will put it all in the descriptions, of course, but this is going to be a very quick video, whatever you want to call it, but I wanted to show you guys this video because this little Dutch pour turned out amazing. I love this gray background with this Dutch pour, and I did do some blowing out, but again my head got in the way and it wasn't a lot of blowing out because, as you saw, the blow dryer did an amazing job. The lacing is awesome. Just the colors against the gray background, I absolutely love it. The Amsterdam white did its job perfectly. But yeah, I was just like, let's go ahead and do a traditional Dutch pour. I haven't done one in a while, so let's see what it looks like. And the traditional puddle Dutch pour instead of the lines. And I was absolutely thrilled with the outcome of this. And you always got to make sure you go up under the edges like I was doing there. But here's the wet reveal, and it is just, look at the edge. I was, wow. I actually took a picture of that. I'm going to include that in my Instagram when I put it up today. But wow, I absolutely loved this one. I know I'm always thrilled with the outcomes, but there's the ultramarine and the blue violet, and then I actually added that golden phthalo blue. Wow. It's just truly amazing. I hope you guys liked this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. All the information is down in the description box below. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Have a good one. Bye.